Hi friends, welcome to CSCB Examiner. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. 1. The term of office of the committee of a cooperative society shall be 5 years from answer the date of election of the board. 2. Which of the following record shall not be retained permanently? Answer receipt book. 3rd, which of the following is not a situation which will invite the registrar to appoint an administrator or administrative committee under section 33 of the KCS Act? Answer, the president of the society is removed by a non-confidence motion. 4. Who shall preside over the meeting of a society convened under Rule 43A to consider a non-confidence motion against the President? Answer, the officer of the cooperative department authorized by the registrar. 5. The maximum permissible borrowing power of a primary agricultural credit society is answer 150 times of its owned funds. 6. Which of the following is not a statutory reserve? Answer, common good fund. 7. No part of the funds other than dash of the society shall be paid by way of bonus or dividend or otherwise distributed among members. Answer, net profit. 8. Loans under consortium lending scheme will be provided on answer, government guarantee. 9. Which of the following asset is having 100% liquid cover? Answer, balance in current account. 10. No society shall dispose of any immovable property acquired by the society without answer, prior sanction of the general body and registrar. 11. The accounts of every society shall be audited within dash of the close of the financial year to which such accounts relate. Answer, 6 months. 12. It shall be the duty of the dash of every society to ensure the accuracy of the financial and other statutory statements. Answer, managing committee. 13. The inquiries under section 65 shall be completed within 6 months. 40. The supervision under section 66 of the KCS Act may include answer, an inspection of the books of the society. 50. For which of the following purpose the Cooperative Development and Welfare Fund shall be utilized? Answer, for the development activities of the societies and safeguarding the interest of the societies against any loss. 60. Which of the following shall not be deemed to be disputes under section 69 of KCS Act? Answer, a claim by a surety against the co-surety. 17. Which of the following is not an insured cooperative bank? Answer: rural banks. 18. A certificate issued in Form number 12 under Section 76 of the Cases Act will enable the decree holder to execute the decree through the Revenue Department or answer: civil court. 19. Which of the following will not come under the purview of the appeal before the tribunal? Answer: expulsion of a member. 20. The cooperative credit structure has been largely focused on answer: credit.